In this video, I will show you how to embed Google Sheets data into your Gamma AI presentation. Let's get started. First, I'll open my project and scroll down to the bottom of the deck to add a new blank card where our data will live. Next, I'll head over to my Google Sheet and prepare it for sharing. I click on File, select Share, and then click Publish to Web. I make sure to select the Embed tab, click Publish, and then hit OK to confirm. Once the code is generated, I'll copy it to my clipboard. Now, back in Gamma, I'll open the Embed Apps and Web Pages menu on the right and drag the web page or app block onto the card. I'll paste my embed code into the field and click Go. To make this fully interactive, I'll adjust the settings so the link opens in a new tab. Finally, I'll switch the display mode from Preview to Embed. This allows the actual spreadsheet to appear directly on the slide. I can now scroll through my budget data without ever leaving the presentation, and there you have it. That's the complete process of embedding Google Sheets data in a Gamma AI presentation.